Some drivers must have been gifted a driver's license from the way they drive. In today's video, you'll see shocking idiots behind the wheel, where one small mistake leads to huge consequences like a car crash and more. Sit back and enjoy. Car behind had so much time to slow down, but for some reason chose not to. Black car was making that turn whether there was someone in the way or not. Red car runs a red light, and this happens. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Get ready for the luck of this idiot. He got hit, but he knows it's his fault, so he tries to escape. If you're going to pull out in front of oncoming traffic, make sure to hit the gas a bit more than this guy did.
Oh, you fucking... What the fuck?
What a donut. Should have looked ahead first before overtaking. Watch this reckless, swerving idiot get his ego bruised by a driver following the road rules. What a beautiful, empty road. Surely no one can rear-end this car.
West Coast. Okay. So let him in. The car kind of steps aside, gestures to both of you to enter the chamber.
Dude, are you fucking...
I walk into the room. Hello. So as you step inside, it's this beautiful oval-shaped den, or a study. There are some shelves with books around it. You can see there are other shelves that have numerous glass containers that are connected to other tubes and other glass containers and coils of various brass-colored metals and small burners. And you can see there is a large circle on the opposite end that is drawn on the floor that has different gems on pedestals. A large circle on the opposite end that is drawn on the floor that has different gems on pedestals, different heights around it. You can see little pieces of paper, like scrawled notes. It's beautiful, but a complete scattered sense that almost like this once beautiful chamber was well organized and somebody came in and just tore it apart.
If unawareness was a driver, it would be this one. Dude gets his ego bruised and reacts like a little girl when someone attempts to overtake.
And in the lands surrounding the Aegean Sea, in each case between roughly 600 and 500 BC. This wasn't just tended to have access to a great deal of loot, much of which consists of gold and silver, and will always such a way to trade it for the better things in life. On the other, a heavily armed itinerant soldier is the very definition of poor credit risk. The economist's barter scenario might be absurd when applied to transactions between